What a rainy day. I'm so glad this coffee shop is here.
Yes, it's really coming down outside. Perfect weather for coffee.
It sure is. This place feels very warm and cozy.
Thank you. We try to make it welcoming, especially on rainy days.
I love how it smells in here. Fresh coffee and something sweet?
That would be the cinnamon rolls. We just baked them this morning.
Oh, that sounds delicious. Maybe I'll try one later.
Great choice. They're very popular when the weather is like this.
Listening to the rain with a hot coffee, it's so relaxing.
It really is. We get a lot of people coming in just to enjoy that today.
I can see why. This is a wonderful place to spend a rainy afternoon.
We're happy you think so. That's exactly the atmosphere we wanted.
The music is nice too. Not too loud, just relaxing.
I'm glad you like it. We choose soft jazz for rainy days.
Perfect. It really feels like a little escape from the rain. Hello. Such heavy rain today. I got a bit wet even with my umbrella.
Welcome. Yes, it's pouring outside. Would you like a warm drink to help you dry off?
That sounds perfect. I think I need something hot. What do you recommend?
Our hot chocolate is very popular on rainy days. Or maybe a latte?
A latte sounds nice. One regular latte, please.
Sure. Would you like it with regular milk or oat milk?
Regular milk is fine. Thank you for asking.
No problem. That will be ready in a few minutes. You can wait over there if you'd like.
Great. I'll sit by the window. I like watching the rain sometimes.
Me too. It's very relaxing. I'll bring your latte to your table when it's ready.
Excuse me, I'm trying to decide what to order. Could you help me understand the menu?
Of course. I'd be happy to help. What looks interesting to you?
I see cappuccino here. What exactly is in a cappuccino?
A cappuccino has espresso, steamed milk, and lots of milk foam on top. It's light and creamy.
Oh, that sounds nice. And how about a latte? Is that different?
Yes, a latte has more steamed milk and just a little foam. It's smoother than a cappuccino.
I see. What is Americano? I think I've heard that name before.
An Americano is espresso with hot water added. It's similar to regular coffee but stronger.
Okay, that makes sense. And the mocha says it has chocolate?
That's right. Mocha is espresso with chocolate syrup and steamed milk, topped with whipped cream.
That sounds delicious. Everything looks so good. What do you recommend for a rainy day like today?
On rainy days, many customers enjoy a hot chocolate or caramel latte. Both are sweet and comforting.
A caramel latte sounds perfect. I'll have that, please. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're very welcome. One caramel latte coming right up. Would you like any pastries with that?
What do you have? The blueberry muffin looks good.
Our blueberry muffins are freshly baked this morning. They're very popular.
Great, I'll have one muffin too. Thank you so much.
Perfect choice. Your total is $8.75. I'll bring your muffin first while the latte is being made. Hello there. Welcome to our coffee shop. What can I get for you today?
Hello. It's raining hard outside. I think I need something warm.
Perfect day for coffee. We have many hot drinks. Maybe a latte or cappuccino?
A latte sounds nice. Do you have flavored lattes? Like vanilla or caramel?
Yes, we do. Vanilla, caramel, hazelnut, all popular choices. Which one would you like?
I love caramel. Can I get a medium caramel latte, please?
Sure thing. Medium caramel latte. Would you like whole milk, or maybe oat milk?
Whole milk is fine, thank you. Oh, and could I get that with less sugar?
Of course. Less sugar in your caramel latte. Anything else for you today?
No, that's all. Thank you so much.
Great. Your total is $4.50. I'll make your drink right away.
Perfect. I'll just wait here near the counter. Hello. It's raining so much today. I think I need something warm.
Good morning. Yes, it's perfect weather for coffee. What can I get for you?
I'm not sure yet. Could you tell me about your coffee options? Everything looks good.
Of course. We have many choices. Our dark roast is very popular. It's strong and rich.
Strong coffee? Maybe too strong for me. Do you have something lighter?
Yes. How about a medium roast? It's smooth and not too bitter. Many people like it.
Oh, that sounds nice. But I also see lattes on the menu. What are those like?
A latte has espresso and lots of steamed milk. It's creamy and mild. We can add flavors like vanilla or caramel too.
Caramel latte? That sounds delicious. And maybe sweeter than regular coffee.
Yes, it's a bit sweet. If you want less sugar, you could try a cappuccino. It has less milk and more foam.
Decisions. Maybe I'll try the medium roast today. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. One medium roast coming right up. Would you like room for milk or sugar?
Just a little milk, please. And thank you again for explaining everything so well. Hi there. I'd like a coffee, please. But I have a few questions.
Of course. I'm happy to help. What kind of coffee would you like?
I'm thinking about a latte. Can I get it with less milk?
Yes, absolutely. We can make it with less milk. Would you like that?
Yes, please. Also, can I get it with almond milk instead?
Sure, we have almond milk. No problem. What size would you like?
I think a medium size is good. Oh, and can it be decaf?
Okay, decaf medium latte with almond milk and less milk. Anything else?
Yes, please add an extra shot of espresso. Is that possible?
An extra shot? Yes, we can add that. So that's a decaf medium latte with almond milk, less milk, and an extra shot.
That sounds perfect. Could I also get a little sugar? Just 1 teaspoon.
Yes, 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'll add that. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's cold today with the rain.
Sure thing. Hot is good for this weather. I'll make that for you now.
Thank you so much. You're very helpful.
You're welcome. It'll be ready in just a few minutes.
Oh, it's raining so hard outside now. I'm glad I brought my umbrella.
Yes, the rain started suddenly this morning. It should stop in a couple of hours, though.
Really? That's good to hear. I love the sound of rain on the windows while drinking coffee.
Me too. Rainy days make the coffee shop feel extra cozy. Perfect weather for a hot drink.
Absolutely. Your coffee always tastes better on days like this. The smell is wonderful today.
Thank you. We roast the beans fresh every week. Rainy weather really brings out the aroma.
I can tell. It smells like caramel and nuts. By the way, do you think the streets will flood?
Probably not. The drainage here is good. But walking might be tricky with all the puddles later.
Oh, I'll wear my boots then. At least the rain cooled everything down. It was too hot yesterday.
True. Now we get this nice breeze. Enjoy your coffee, and stay dry when you leave.
Wow, it's really raining hard outside. I'm glad I found this coffee shop.
Hello. Welcome. Yes, it's the perfect day for hot coffee. Did you get wet?
Just a little. My umbrella helped. This seat by the window is nice. Can I sit here?
Of course. That's a good spot. Would you like a menu?
Yes, please. And maybe a napkin? My bag got a bit wet.
Sure thing. Here's a napkin. Take your time looking at the menu.
Thank you. It's cozy here. I like the music too.
Thanks. We play soft jazz on rainy days. Makes it feel warm inside.
It really does. Okay, I think I know what I want to order now.
Great. Just wave when you're ready. Enjoy your seat first.
Hi there. This rain is really coming down, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. It started about an hour ago. Looks like it might stick around for a while.
I don't mind too much. It's actually kinda cozy being inside with a warm drink.
Couldn't agree more. That's why the cinnamon latte is extra popular today.
Ooh, that sounds perfect for this weather. Is it very sweet?
It has a nice balance. We use real cinnamon, not too sugary. Want to try one?
Yes, please. That sounds lovely. Medium size, I think.
Great choice. I'll get that started for you right away.
Thanks. How's your day going so far?
Pretty steady with the rain bringing everyone in. But it's nice to see familiar faces.
Definitely a good day to be indoors. Your shop always feels so welcoming.
That's so kind of you to say. Here's your cinnamon latte. Enjoy the cozy vibes.
Thank you. It smells amazing. Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too. Stay dry out there.
Excuse me, I have a little problem.
Sure, how can I help you today?
I can't connect to the internet. My laptop shows no Wi-Fi here.
Oh, I see. The Wi-Fi is working fine. Maybe you need the password?
Yes, please. I really need to check my emails.
No problem at all. I'll write it down for you. Here you go. The password is coffee123. All lowercase letters.
Coffee 123? That's easy to remember. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Just let me know if you have trouble connecting.
I will. Thanks again for your help. That latte was wonderful. The rain outside is so relaxing with a warm drink.
I'm glad you liked it. We use locally roasted beans here. Can I get you anything else?
Actually, I think I'll have another drink. What do you recommend? Something cozy for this weather.
Perfect timing. Our spiced caramel macchiato is popular on rainy days. It has cinnamon and warm spices.
That sounds lovely. But is it very sweet? I don't like drinks that are too sugary.
Not at all. We can make it with half the usual caramel. Or would you prefer something less sweet, like a flat white?
Let's try the macchiato with less caramel, please. I trust your suggestion.
Great choice. Would you like it hot or iced? Though iced might be chilly with this weather.
Hot, definitely. It's so cold and wet outside. A warm cup is just what I need.
Absolutely. Coming right up. I'll bring it to your table when it's ready.
Thank you so much. I'll just relax here and watch the rain.
Enjoy the view. The rain makes everything feel peaceful, doesn't it?
Hi, I would like to pay for my coffee now.
Sure. That will be $5.20, please.
Here's $6. Keep the change.
Oh, thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. The coffee was really delicious, by the way.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. We make our own special blend here.
I could tell. It was perfect for a rainy day.
Yes, rainy days are great for a warm drink. Do you need an umbrella?
No, thanks. I have my umbrella right here in my bag.
That's good. Have a safe trip home, then.
Thank you. I will. See you next time.
See you. Have a lovely day.